Greetings everyone! Today, we will be diving into the issues and challenges in food quality control of the food company Mamee. Let's get started. This presentation includes a brief overview of the food manufacturing company, quality control involved in each processing step, including related issues and challenges like control of raw materials, process, storage, and distribution. We will also discuss about the challenges and future trends, solutions and distribution, and finally our conclusion. Moving on, allow me to provide a brief overview of the food manufacturing company. Mamee Double Decker M Sdn Bhd is one of Malaysia's most iconic food manufacturing companies, established in 1971 in Malacca by the late Dato' Pang Chin Hin. Over the years, Mamee has grown into a globally recognized brand, exporting to more than 100 countries and operating multiple modern manufacturing facilities. Furthermore, Mamee is best known for its wide range of popular food products such as Mamee Monster Snacks, Mr. Potato Chips, Mamee Chef Instant Noodles, and Corn Toast. Their vision and mission is delivering fun, nutritious, and high-quality food to consumers worldwide. Innovation and quality as key pillars of growth. Besides, Mamee has achieved several quality certifications including HACCP, Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points, ISO 22000, Food Safety Management, and Halal certification. The company emphasizes strict food safety standards across all stages of production, from sourcing raw materials to final product distribution. Mamee runs a central quality assurance lab that ensures products meet both local and international safety standards.
To begin, here are the main raw materials used by Mamee in their snack production. We have wheat flour as the base, palm oil for frying, starch for crunchiness, and seasoning powders for flavor. Another key ingredient including salt, sugar, flavor enhancers like MSG and permitted additives such as coloring and antioxidants. These components together create the taste, texture, and shelf stability that Mamee is known for. Mamee ensures quality right from the source. They only work with certified vendors such as Halal, GMP, and ISO 22000 approved, and every batch comes with a certificate of analysis. Once materials arrive, they go through virtual check and lab tests for moisture, microbes, and chemical levels. Everything is recorded with barcodes for traceability, make it easy to recall any batch if needed. This system maintains safety, consistency, and regulatory compliance. Despite strong systems, Mamee still faces challenges in raw material control. For example, seasonal changes can affect flour quality, so they adjust their formulations based on real-life time data. To avoid contaminations, they use sealed food-grade containers and inspections. Delay in delivery. They solve this by having multiple suppliers and buffer stock. And to maintain high ingredient costs, they use strategic sourcing and long-term supplier contracts. All of these align with their HACCP and ISO 22000 food safety standards.
Greetings, I'm Danzani, who present about quality control during food processing in Mamee Company. To ensure the quality of products, Mamee Company conducts sensory checks to evaluate the taste and texture of its products by its own professional panelists. Besides, it employs the latest technology to ensure consistent product quality, including Mi Tarik technology to produce springier and smoother textured noodles, as well as develop AI strategies with Google Cloud and partner Matrixy for product monitoring process. Additionally, hygiene and quality control practices are strictly followed, with line workers maintaining good hygiene such as washing hands before working, wearing apron, gloves, and masks while directly in contact with the food products. Its manufacturing facilities were also certified with ISO 9000S, ISO 22000, HACCP, and Halal standards, ensuring consistent quality, strict food safety, and compliance with national and religious requirements. Some issues and challenges about the food products are faced by Mamee Company. Their products are claimed to be unhealthy because people claim that snacks are contributing to increased obesity rate and the use of MSG as flavoring raising concern. In response, Mamee has shifted its focus towards sustainability and better-for-you products. Better-for-you products are referred to the healthier products that are low in fat, salt, and sugar but high in fiber, minerals, and vitamins. The term also includes specific categories like lactose-free, plant-based, vegan, organic, and low-calorie options. This helps Mamee Company to meet the growing demand for healthier food options. Furthermore, Mamee products were claimed to be environmentally unfriendly due to the heavy use of plastic packaging. It is prompting pressure from government and NGO greening programs to reduce plastic use, to which Mamee has responded by using thinner plastic bottles for its beverage products.
And Mamee will place a strong focus on proper storage management to maintain the quality, safety, and freshness of the product. Storage area have monitoring system to maintain the optimum temperatures and humidity levels. The settings are carefully adjusted according to the spatial requirement of different products to ensure they remain fresh and safe. Next, the special attention is given to the snack and the natural ingredients, especially those that are not genetically modified and composed of healthier ingredients, as they are more sensitive to environmental changes. Through the strict control of the storage condition, Mamee company able to preserve the natural quality and nutritional value of the product. In addition to storage management, Mamee company enforce the inventory and pest control practice. Our inventory is managed through the first-in, first-out system, ensuring the older stock is used or shipped first. This method effectively minimizes the waste, maintain the product freshness, prevent overstocking, and reduce the risk of unnecessary storage. Besides, the pest control is carried out, regular inspections are conducted, entry points are sealed, and a clean environment is consistently maintained to prevent the contamination of both raw material and finished product. These comprehensive measures uphold the safety, hygiene, and integrity of our product, enabling us to deliver only the highest quality product to our valued customer. We have strong storage quality control in place. There are also some challenges that must be carefully managed. Firstly, maintaining consistent environmental conditions is a major challenge. Variation in external weather such as high humidity or heat can make it difficult to keep ideal storage conditions. If not properly controlled, it can affect the product quality. Secondly, inventory problems like overstocking can cause waste, while understocking can lead to product shortage. Lastly, handling special ingredients like non-GMO and healthier ingredients are more sensitive and spoil faster. Tighter storage control and faster turnover are required. Managing these ingredients carefully is important to maintain their natural quality and nutritional value. By recognizing these challenges, Mamee company can continue improving its system and maintain its commitment to deliver safe, high-quality product to consumers.
In this presentation, we will discuss the quality control of distribution from three aspects. Firstly, Mamee workers must inspect food packaging for any defects before distribution to retailers. For example, if there is any physical damage on boxes such as cracks, those food products must be rejected from distributing to retailers and consumers. This is because the company reputation will be affected if damaged products are delivered to customers. Besides, Mamee company should ensure all labelings on food packaging like batch codes and expiry dates are visible for tracking process. This could ensure documentation process and batch recall if any problems occur among food products. In addition, proper handling procedures are very important in maintaining distribution quality. All employees must be well trained about handling techniques such as lifting, carrying to avoid any damage towards products. Before transportation, employees must secure all the products on pallets using tie-down straps to prevent movement during transit in order to minimize the risk of damage. Next, maintaining consistent temperature throughout the transportation is crucial to prevent any spoilage. This can be helped by using real-time tracking technologies to monitor products' location and environmental conditions. Also, record any incidents during transit like delayed or damaged products. This incident must be reviewed after delivery to avoid the same incidents from happening again. There are some related issues and challenges about control of distribution. The most important issue is logistical delays. Traffic congestion, vehicle breakdowns, or bad weather can cause delays in delivering products to retailers on time. To ensure distribution quality, Mamee company can establish clear communication channels with logistic partners and track shipments in real time using transportation management system. Retailer demand fluctuation is another related issue if there is worse control of distribution. For instance, suddenly increase or decrease in retailer demand can disrupt planned distribution schedules, leading to overstocking in trucks or stockouts in stores. In order to manage this issue, real-time inventory management system can improve visibility and control over inventory, thereby reducing costs and avoiding lost revenue. Besides, enterprise software helps in analyzing demand based on sales history, market trends, and other key factors to forecast how much of each product will be needed. Furthermore, Mamee company will face problems like loss of revenue when the distribution quality is low. Late deliveries, damaged products, and order errors can directly lead to financial loss. A poor delivery experience will affect customers to look for alternatives, which could translate into long-term revenue decline. Therefore, distribution efficiency must be improved to reduce transportation costs and delivery time. For example, planning delivering routes properly by considering traffic and weather conditions, and constantly monitoring roads performance.
Hi, I'm Jong Kao Jin, and I will be presenting about the challenges faced by the company Mamee. The first challenge is intense market competition. Nowadays, the instant noodle and snack food industry has many established brands and also new brands competing for customers. To stay ahead, Mamee must keep creating new ideas and improve its marketing strategies. The second challenge is changing consumer preferences. More and more people want healthier, better quality, and affordable food. So Mamee must change its products to match the health trends and what customers want today. Besides, Mamee has limited manufacturing capacity. Even though Mamee sells products around the world, it only has 5 factories. This limits how much it can produce in a day and makes it harder to grow or introduce new products. Next, Mamee faces poor market penetration in China. Its factory in Suzhou has low product demand and sales, leading to a high operational losses. Lastly, Mamee is highly dependent on imported raw materials from Europe. So when the euro rises against the US dollar, the production costs increase, especially for products like Mr. Potato. This will put pressure on their profit margin. Let me explain about the future trends of Mamee. One of the aims of Mamee is to significantly expand its export market by increasing exports from 32% to 50% of total sales. To achieve this, Mamee will focus on neighboring countries like Thailand, Indonesia, Vietnam, Singapore, and Philippines. And Mamee plans to form strategic alliance with local food and beverage companies to boost distribution and market presence. Second, there is a strong focus on sustainability. Mamee is investing in recyclable packaging, renewable energy, and rainwater harvesting. All of these are to move towards a zero-waste production goal. Additionally, the company is expanding in digital marketing and e-commerce. Mamee is working with digital marketing agency to increase its online visibility, especially on social media. It also partners with influencers to connect better with younger, digital-savvy consumers. Besides, Mamee is focusing on product innovation to meet health and lifestyle trends. The company is developing snacks with less sugar and salt and adding vitamins and minerals to support healthier choices. At the same time, it is also innovating exciting new flavors such as mala and Korean kimchi noodles to match changing tastes.
To ensure Mamee stays competitive and sustainable, we have identified 5 strategic solutions and recommendations aligned with the key challenges the company is facing. Firstly, in response to intense market competition, Mamee company should innovate and differentiate. This means investing in R&D to create unique flavors such as local fusion snacks or limited edition products, and enhancing digital engagement. Personalized marketing via TikTok campaigns combined with influencer partnerships can help the brand stand out and strengthen consumer loyalty. Next, to adapt to changing consumer preferences, we recommend focusing on health-conscious product development. This includes launching low-sodium, whole-grain, and plant-based snack lines under a new Mamee Wellness sub-brand. Highlighting clean label ingredients, sustainable packaging, and clear nutritional labeling will meet the demands of the health-driven customers today. Thirdly, regarding limited manufacturing capacity, Mamee company should invest in automation and smart factory technologies to increase output. Expanding regionally with satellite hubs in markets like Indonesia or Vietnam using modular facility designs will also support growth in manufacturing. Moving on, to address poor market penetration in China, a localized and digital-first strategy is essential. Mamee company should tailor flavors to local preferences, expand its presence on e-commerce platforms such as JD.com, and collaborate with local distributors and influencers to build stronger brand relevance and trust. Lastly, to reduce dependency on imported raw materials, Mamee company should diversify its supply chain. This includes sourcing more materials locally or within ASEAN and using financial tools like forward contracts to hedge against currency fluctuations and stabilize cost and supply. In summary, these solutions aim to future-proof Mamee's company's operations, grow market share, and strengthen its brand both locally and internationally.
In conclusion, Mamee Double Decker is a well-established food manufacturing company known for its commitment to quality, safety, and innovation. By implementing strict quality control at every stage, from raw materials to distribution, the company ensures its product meet high standards and satisfy consumer expectations. Despite facing various industrial challenges, Mamee continues to grow by embracing new technologies and adapting to future trends. Its strong reputation and continuous improvement efforts make Mamee a leading brand both in Malaysia and internationally. That's the end of our presentation. Thank you.